Welcome to Realtecshop, your trusted source for tech reviews, unboxings, and digital deep dives. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly affordable, yet surprisingly powerful offering from HP, the HP 14-inch business laptop featuring 16 GB RAM, 320 GB total storage, and Intel's Quad-Core N4120 CPU. Whether you're a student juggling assignments, a freelancer managing clients, or someone looking for a reliable secondary machine, this compact workhorse might just be what you're searching for. Stay tuned as we unbox, test, and evaluate this budget-friendly device to see if it really delivers in 2025's competitive laptop market. Let's get into it. Alright, let's crack open the box and see what's inside. The packaging is standard HP. Minimalism, clean, eco-conscious, and functional. As we peel back the protective flaps, the first thing we're greeted with is the sleek, white-colored HP 14-inch business laptop, securely nestled in foam holders for maximum protection during transit. Box contents include the HP 14-inch laptop itself, 45W HP power adapter, 256 GB external docking station, PLUSERA wired earphones, Microsoft Office 365 license card. This particular bundle adds serious value for students and professionals alike. Right out of the box, you have everything you need to start working or studying immediately. At first glance, the white matte finish gives the laptop a clean, modern look that stands out from the typical gray or black crowd. It's minimal, sleek, and lightweight, perfect for tossing into a backpack or briefcase without feeling weighed down. This laptop is built with portability in mind. It's ideal for commuting, remote work, or classroom settings. There's no Ethernet port, which is expected at this size and price point. But with Wi-Fi 5 built in, you still get reliable wireless performance. And Bluetooth 4.2 lets you pair wireless accessories with ease. Let's talk about the keyboard. The full-size island-style keyboard offers decent key travel and tactile feedback. It's not backlit, a minor downside, but still comfortable for long typing sessions. The trackpad is responsive, with support for multi-touch gestures and palm rejection. For casual use, document editing, or streaming videos, the screen gets the job done. It's not full HD, but for this price and performance balance, the 720p display with decent brightness and color reproduction is perfectly adequate. You also get dual stereo speakers and a 720p HD webcam with integrated digital microphone. Great for Zoom calls, online classes, and virtual meetings. The included 256 GB docking station not only expands your storage but also boosts your connectivity with additional ports. Just plug it in via USB and instantly gain access to more space for your files, photos, and apps. This isn't a gaming laptop or a creative workstation, but it doesn't claim to be. It's a no-nonsense plug-and-play productivity machine designed for people who need to get work done on a budget. Coming up next, we'll dive into the specs and performance benchmarks. How well does the Intel N4120 processor handle multitasking, browsing, streaming, and light productivity apps? Stay with us.